So in this quick tutorial, for me very quick, we're going to stick some text to a moving phone. Okay, so we've got the clip on the timeline. What we're going to do is put some text so that it kind of hangs onto the phone and moves with the phone. So select your timeline, make sure your playhead's over the clip, and go into Fusion. Okay, now we're in Fusion. We want to track the movement of our phone. To do that, click on Media in 1, press Shift and Spacebar and type Planar to get the Planar Tracker. This puts the tracker between media in and media out. Next, come into the inspector. We're going to set track or tracker type to hybrid point area. We're going to leave motion type at perspective. And we're going to draw a box roughly around the phone screen. Like so. And then we're going to come up to reference time and click set, and this sets the reference to the frame that we're on. Then we're going to track forward. And as you can see, as we're tracking, you're getting all your tracking data in the box. Cool. So now we've got tracking data going forward. We're going to come back to reference time, and this time we're going to click go, and this will take us back to our original reference frame. And now we're going to track backwards. Excellent. So now we've tracked our phone. If you press Shift and Spacebar, you can move your tracker out of your pipeline. Don't delete it. With Planar Tracker selected, if you come to the inspector and click on Create Planar Transform, this creates this extra node, which is basically a transform node, but with all the tracking data built into it. So now we're going to decide what we want to add to our scene, and in this case I'm going to add some text. So the first thing we do, select Media in 1, come to your hotbar and click on Merge. This adds a merge node into your pipeline. You can take your output from your planar transform and put it into the merge. Next we are going to add our text. So with your text selected, put whatever text you want. And adjust it to whatever you want it to be. And you can resize it and do all the stuff that you do with text. Next, you're going to pipe your text into your planar transformer, and you can see that your text is here. Now if you want it somewhere else, then with text selected, come to your hotbar again and hit a transform node. Now you can use this transform to reposition your text relative to whatever you're doing. If you want to add more text elements, you can basically copy all this and paste it, and then we can use the Shift key to drop that into our timeline. We can select this second text node, change the text. And use this second transform node to reposition our text. And that should basically be it. If we now play through, you'll notice that the text moves with the phone and maintains its perspective in relation to any movement on the phone. So yeah, I hope that kind of makes sense for you. Thanks for watching. As always, please subscribe, hit the like button and the notification button, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.